Meaning of full scale.
Full scale.
Full scale.
Full scale.
Full scale. The term full scale typically refers to the complete range or maximum extent of something. For example, a full-scale model means a replica that is the same size as the real thing. Similarly, a full-scale attack would be an all-out assault, using all available resources.
In general, the phrase conveys the idea that something is being done with maximum effort or impact. In 84 words, full scale means the complete range or maximum extent of something.
It indicates that something is being done with maximum effort or impact, such as in a full-scale model or a full-scale attack where all resources are used.